In this video, we will learn how to do the transformation process of the metaphor and analogy to the final product. Okay, the transformation will change in form, appearance, nature, or character. When we have to understand the source or the subject matter form, the appearance, nature, and character. Okay, then to change completely the appearance or character of something or someone, especially so that they are improved. Okay, we have to change completely the appearance of character of the something or someone, especially so that they are improved. Okay, a marked change as in appearance or character usually for the better. Okay, just understand this transformation is for the better. Okay, to change the nature, function, or condition of and convert. Okay, transformation is to change the nature, function, or condition of convert. Okay, this is the meanings before we learned before. Metaphor is related to symbol, association, comparison, similar. But analog is similarity, likeness, when two different things share characteristics that lead to comparison between them. Okay, metaphor are more on the form, okay, because it represents a symbol, association. But analog is more towards the characteristic, okay, the function, okay, the quality, okay, of the source. Okay. Meanwhile, the transformation is a process of changeover. It's a process of switch. It's a process of alteration, and it's a process of renewal. Okay, changeover, switch, alteration, and renewal. Okay, mean here the subject matter, the natural element that we choose. We have to study the physical aspect, which includes shapes, form, how many legs, how many wings, how does it eat. Okay, that means the behavior and the characteristic. Also, we can study the internal aspect of the body, okay, the body component, the segmentation, okay, and the characteristic, the behavior, activities. How does it walk? How does it flare? How does it attack the enemy? Okay, after we understand that with some principles, some guideline, okay. So the first one is like what we see here in the slide. Okay, we can see the crack here. Number one, we have to draw all the angles of the crack here. Okay, we try to explode to see to understand each components, each detail, each pattern in the source, in the cracks. Okay. When we do a sketches, we try to put some writing to explain the characteristic. Okay. Then we study some possibility. Okay, like here, some possibility in different way. Okay. So it also can be more details to study the backgrounds of the subject matter. Okay, how it eat, how it like, how is with the groups, okay, the habitats, and so on. Okay, this is one of the example how to understand the context of the site or the surroundings of the subject matter. Okay, we have to do some sketches. Okay, try to understand in different angle. Okay, you see this is the example. We have the source, okay, then we do the process, then we come up with the output, okay, the output here. Same thing for the wheel here, okay, we have the source, okay, we have the process, and we have the final, the output. Okay, this is another example. From the process, the sketches, later on we have to do the presentation. Okay, the presentation have to show the process. The presentation have to show the characteristic from the source to the output, to the final product. Okay, this is another example of analog, the process of the transformation, how it's transformed from this bird nest into this stadium. Okay, this is another example, the process from this bird, the eagle, into this playground. Okay, this is another example, how the spider web changed into this playground. Okay, the wave convert into the playground. Okay, for conclusion, we have to understand here. Okay, first we have to establish the source. Okay, either we are using metaphor or analog. Okay, if we are using metaphor, okay, we are focusing on the form. Okay, but when we focus to the analog, okay, we focus on the characteristic. Okay, the transformation will be on the characteristics. Then we go to the target. Okay, in between from the source to the target, okay, the final product going to be the process. Okay, it should be very detailed and involve so many times, okay, to produce a very good outcome. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much.